Unreal Engine 5 is no longer just a rendering engine. It is transformed into a complete design ecosystem that's rewriting the rules of architectural visualization and workflow. In this video, I'll show you the most powerful Unreal Engine features architects need to know and how to use them to elevate your entire design workflow. In architecture, context is king. Architecture is rooted in location, and to understand your design in context is vital. Museum for Unreal is one plugin that streams high-fidelity 3D geospatial data, like Google 3D Tiles, directly into the engine. So you can stop modeling white box cities. You can place your building at its exact latitude and longitude. This is critical for digital twins like the Wellington City Twin, where accurate terrain data allows for real-world simulations. Building large-scale environments by hand, whether cities, landscapes, facades, or infrastructure, is slow and repetitive. Procedural content generation, or PCG, changes that by allowing you to create rule-based systems that automatically populate your scenes with intelligent, data-driven logic. PCG is powered by Unreal Engine's visual scripting system, Blueprints, meaning you can build complex procedural rules without writing a single line of C++. If you already have boundaries, massing, or zoning rules, PCG can programmatically fill those areas. This will update them instantly as the design evolves. You can even prototype stadium layouts, transport corridors, or infrastructure systems using spline-based logic. This allows assets to follow roads, rails, or pathways with precision. And of course, it can extend to natural environment generation, creating forests, terrain, beaches, and ecosystems with high realism, all controlled by your procedural rules and visual graphs. Unreal Engine becomes the digital brain of any project when it connects directly to real-time IoT data. Using blueprints and HTTP requests, you can stream live info straight into your digital twin, revealing how a building or system truly behaves. The digital twin of Changi Airport, for example, pushes real-time simulation to the extreme. Live flight tracking data drives the entire experience. You get a living airport where aircraft movement and operations unfold exactly as they do in the real world. Another example is the Wellington City Digital Twin that shows what happens when you scale this idea to an entire metropolis. By pulling a real-time transportation API, Unreal Engine updates bus locations, service changes, headways and delays across the city. Even Hyundai is bringing real-time connectivity inside their vehicles. The next-gen navigation system uses Unreal Engine to render fully dynamic 3D maps in real time. For architects, the takeaway is bigger than cars. The same technology connects vehicles, cities, and infrastructure to a shared real-time model, revealing how roads, movement, and infrastructure directly influence the buildings we design. Architecture isn't just about shapes and surfaces, and the Unreal Engine has the power to simulate physics and force effects. In real time, you actually see how your design behaves. Instead of flipping through reports, you get KPIs, U-values, shading percentages, and daylight factors for various options. With vertex color shading, you get instant visual feedback that makes performance easy for anyone to understand. By importing CFD data as vector fields, you can use Unreal's Niagara system to visualize airflow with particles, dust arcs, or dynamic streams that move exactly like the real simulation. It's one of the clearest ways to communicate forces that are normally impossible to show. Architecture is built for people, but with traditional methods, it's difficult to understand how crowds affect the space. With data-driven materials, you can paint heat maps across the environment, showing where people move, gather, or bottleneck. Unreal Engine can also simulate real-world lighting using accurate lux values, true fixture locations, and fully dynamic controls. So you could test stadium lighting coverage, and all because it's real-time, clients see the results immediately, so no waiting on baked lighting or off-light simulations. Why show your client a few fixed design options when they can switch between dozens of options and see how they affect a variety of outcomes in real time? Design configurators in Unreal Engine turn a static architectural model into an interactive decision-making experience, letting clients explore building massing on-site or even more complex pavilions and products in real time with zero technical friction. This transforms your project into a living interface, not just a visualization. Instead of showing a single render, you empower stakeholders to configure the designs and test variants instantly to understand the impact of each decision before anything is built. Complete apps can also be made for configuring entire buildings with interiors, layouts, and furniture, all in high fidelity and real-time changes. These can function as desktop apps, web experience, or even VR walkthroughs. It all starts with getting your data in. Datasmith is the central bridge between the CAD world and the real-time world. It supports Revit, Rhino, SketchUp, ArchiCAD, and 3ds Max. This is your single source of truth, so you're not exporting meshes and losing intelligence anymore. Datasmith preserves geometry, hierarchy, materials, and most importantly, BIM data. You can click on a wall, and you still have access to fire ratings, material specs, costs, and manufacturer data, so the model stays intelligent. Datasmith also automates the boring stuff, such as material mapping, object naming, geometry cleanup, all handled for you. And because Datasmith uses a structured data format, you stay in control of exactly how your BIM data is translated into Unreal. This format then lets you bring complex BIM models into your pre-built Unreal environments, then layer on everything Unreal does best: landscapes, vegetation, lighting, animation, simulation, and real-time interaction. So you're not replacing BIM, you're extending it in the real-time world. What if you don't need advanced features on Unreal, or need a quick start, but still retains the real-time power? That's why Twinmotion exists. It's the user-friendly sketchpad for rapid visualization, and much easier to pick up. You can start a project in Twinmotion with fast drag-and-drop materials, lighting, and context. And it comes with a large built-in library of props, furniture, people, and so on, so you can build convincing scenes in minutes. And because Twinmotion uses Datasmith, it maintains a live link to your CAD tools. And the killer feature is that your Twinmotion scene can then be brought into Unreal Engine. So when a project evolves or client asks for high fidelity custom interaction, you don't need to rebuild anything. You can take the exact same scene and export it straight into Unreal 5. And from there, you can add in nanite, Lumen, blueprint, simulation, and all your fully custom experiences. Originally created for 3D gaming, Unreal was built to handle high-performance real-time rendering, alongside complex physics, animations, and interactivity. Architects and visualization artists can see the designs update instantly. There are two core technologies that Unreal 5 enable for this. One is nanite, which is the engine's virtualized micro-polygon geometry system. In simple terms, it lets you use extremely high-detail 3D models in real time without manually creating LODs, which are levels of detail, or worrying about polygon counts. This means you can drop heavy models straight from software like Revit, Rhino, Blender, or 3ds Max into Unreal with no retopologizing and decimation. The other key tech is Lumen, which is Unreal's fully dynamic global illumination and reflection system, designed to give real-time realistic lighting that automatically updates whenever the scene changes. So it replaces older systems like baked light maps. It works by creating a simplified mathematical representation of your mesh to calculate light balances much faster than hardware ray tracing. This is why it works on consoles and decent laptops, not just £5,000 workstations. On top of this, there are many other visual features, such as megalights, which are a new direct lighting path designed to replace several traditional lighting and shadowing techniques. They allow Unreal Engine to handle massive amount of dynamic lights, even on older consoles and hardware. I've covered some of the core technology in Unreal Engine, and I'll be deep diving more in future tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and take a look.